The reason I originally joined DG Institute was that I always knew there was a better way apart from having a day job. DGI offered that opportunity for me to advance my real estate knowledge, along with the support, the emotional intelligence with that. It's basically my fast track to success, and I knew that's the path that I had to take. So with every property journey there are some lows. One of them that comes to mind was an investment property we purchased to renovate and sell. We forecast about a $50,000 profit due to the market turning, over-capitalising on the renovation budget, not doing my thorough due diligence in regards to sale price. We actually made about a $30,000 loss on that. That sort of hit home pretty deeply for me because it sort of made me realise that I suppose my confidence got struck a bit in my numbers. With the program and the people, the support you have in that, they can actually talk you through it, and that's how it's a mistake that I learned. I'll never make that again. And having the support behind it through the DG Institute was something that actually got me through that. If I was on my own and had that sort of loss, that'd be me paralysed, and I probably would never touch property again. Some of my highest points on my journey so far has definitely been personal development. I feel that I've grown so much as an individual, more confidence in myself, more mindful of the way I do things and how I do things. Obviously that's one thing. The money thing is also another one. That's not as important to me, I suppose, in my life at the moment. The emotional journey that I'm on at the moment is the pinnacle of where I'm at the moment. The numbers around one of my successful deals was a $290,000 purchase. I only spent $30,000 on the renovation. I ended up making $75,000 in about 3 months. If anybody is considering joining the DG Institute, I recommend it to all of my friends, all of my family, anybody who I talk to who wants to advance themselves, not only personally, financially. It's a must even to attend an event, see what Dom has to say, because the learnings that you'll get, the personal development you'll get, it's something that lasts a lifetime, and it's well worth the time and the effort that you put into it.